Hi guys! I just wanted to make you this video to help you set up and figure out how to use the new tool for Google Chrome extension, Snap and Read. This is such a great tool. You can have any website, any text read to you online. So I know it stinks sometimes we need to find that YouTube audio link. We can just pull up the online text and Snap and Read can read it to us. It can also help us with vocabulary. So I'm just going to show you the steps on how to get this set up and how to get working with it because it's a great tool and I really hope you guys will give it a try. Alright guys, so first thing we're going to do is go on to Google and then we're going to type in Google Chrome extensions. We're going to click Chrome Web Store extensions, Google Chrome, so we got to make sure we're on our Chrome web browser. Here it's going to say search the store. This is where we're going to type in Snap and Read. Once you see this one right here, you're going to hit Add to Chrome and Add Extension, and it will download. Second step, you're going to go to snapandread.com. It will then give you the option to sign in or create an account. So you're going to sign in, and you're going to sign in with Google. I have already sent you all to your emails the link to use. So you'll put in your WV Gmail account and then it sent you a class code. So mine's different obviously because I logged me in as a teacher, but it would have you use your Gmail and then your code I sent you. If you need a code sent again, just let me know. Okay, so now Snap and Read is now added to Google extension. So I'm going to show you how it works. So I just did Great Gatsby in English with my kids, so I'm going to use this as an example. So I'm on Google Classroom. I'm going to open up the online text. I already had it open, so we don't have to wait for it to load right here. Okay. So here it is. It's just a typical online text. Click it. It won't read to me or anything, but I can see it. Now I'm going to show you how we could turn Snap and Read on. So you're going to follow where my browser goes right here, and this is the magical button, this one right here. So right up where you'll type in the websites and everything, right here is where you'll press this button, and then you will give access for Snap and Read to go on to this website. So this is what makes it work. So you'll have to find this and then turn it on. And now we have all these features over here of Snap and Read. So now I'll show you how they work. Okay, so once again, now Snap and Read is on and now it will work. So first thing I'm going to show you is how we could get it to read to us. We're going to hit this button that says speak, and then wherever you want the text to start, now it will read to us.
When I in my younger and more vulnerable years, my father gave me some advice that I've been turning over in my mind ever since. Whenever you feel like criticizing.
So now it's just like an audiobook. Another way I think you'll use Snap and Read a lot is to help you simplify the vocabulary. So in order to do this, you will press this button right here. It says Simplify Vocabulary. And this is Chapter 1, and now it will give you some examples of what some of the word means, and it'll even switch a few words out to make it a little bit easier for you to understand. If you're stuck too, you can also click on a word and the definition will come up for you. So it's another way to help you understand the reading by simplifying the vocabulary and being able to understand the text better. Now I'm going to show you how you can use Snap and Read for when you're on an article. So I have students right now who are in a history class, and part of their assignment is to read an article. So the article is embedded into their assignment, so I'm going to open that up, and here it is. So now we can use Snap and Read to help us work with this article on this website. So you would hit our Snap and Read button again to get everything pulled up. I would first look through the article, see how it is, try to read it through once maybe, and then I'm going to show you this really cool thing. So right here it says Beyond the Casualties. So I'm now going to use the Simplify the Vocabulary button, which is right here, and we're going to watch how this article changes. It takes a second, but there it goes. So then it switches out a few words. So now that we have switched out a few of those words after hitting the Simplify the Vocabulary button, it might make it a little bit easier for you to understand. For example, instead of casualties, it now says deaths. So I'm going to show you now how we can have this read to us still. So we're going to go up and hit the speaker button, and then you can click wherever you would like it to start reading to you. So we're going to start with the sentence we're working with.
Beyond the deaths, terrorist attacks also yield room for misinformation.
And then you just click again whenever you want it to start. So you can go to any points, click where you want it to begin.
And are more terrorist attacks happening now?
There you go. And then you hit it to stop it. Alright guys, so I hope this video helped you understand how to set up Snap and Read and how to get using it. I really hope you'll utilize this tool. It's really helpful. Let me know if you have any questions at all. So have fun playing around with it.